told? Sense organs are of 5. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay now children? See, I told you to complete page number 152. Did you strain your eyes while reading the message? Do you tired or sore eyes? Do you often have headache or neck pain? Do you have blurred vision? I told you to write yes or no and I told you to complete these boxes also. Okay children, while writing in the textbook, use pencils. Don't use pens. See, eyes, ears, nose and skin are 5 sense organs we have. They help us to gather information around our surroundings. This information is sent to the brain through the nerves. The brain interprets the information which enables to see, hear, smell, feel and taste. Okay, I told you the messages will be sent to the brain through nerves and again it will send to the written sense organs to see and to hear, to smell and everything. Okay, already I told you about sense organs. Now, while coming to sense of touch, what do you mean by sense of touch? Sense of touch means to feel. If anybody will touch, you will feel. Sense of touch will go to the sense of the skin. So, sense of touch. See children, open page number 153. Skin is the biggest sense organ of our body. Now, biggest sense organ is skin. Okay, it covers our body and protects everything inside it. Skin will cover whole body and protects inside internal organs. Our body is sensitive to touch because of the presence of nerves ending in our skin. Our body is sensitive to touch. It is very sensitive to it because nerves will be present ending to the skin. Our fingertips are very sensitive to touch because they have more nerves ending. Our fingertips have more nerves ending. That's why it is sensitive to touch. Different nerves ending produce different sensations. Different nerves will produce different sensations. Some help us to know that tea is hot, while some tells us about ice cream is cool. When we touch something, the message reaches to the brain, which tells us whether the object being felt by our skin is smooth or rough, soft or hot, sticky or slippery. See, when we touch any object like this, our brain will tell if it is hard, soft or slippery or it is sticky. According to the nerve, all the nerves will not do only one action. Different nerves will do different types of actions. When we touch any hard object, it will tell it is hard. When we touch any soft object, it will tell it is smooth. Like that, different nerves will act different actions. See, now coming to the taking care of skin. Use a good quality soap to bath every day. To take bath, take good soap. Clean every part of the body carefully. Apply cream or oil on dry skin to keep it moist. Keep the skin clean to avoid infections. Use sunscreens to avoid sunburns. Consult a dermatologist in case of skin problems. See, daily you must take a proper soap to clean your whole body. And each and every part of the body should be cleaned. Apply any cold cream or any oil to keep your skin moist. And keep the skin clean to avoid any infections. And also apply sunscreen lotions to avoid sunburns. Consult a dermatologist. If you are getting any skin allergies or anything, you go to dermatologist to take care about your skin. See children here. We should be very careful while touching certain things. Take the object that should be touched with utmost care. See, here some of the objects are given. It must be take the objects which we must take care. Ball, candle, book, knife. In this 4 objects, while catching these objects, you must which objects if you will catch, you must take care. You put tick. See, if you will catch candle, you must take care. If you will catch knife, you must take care and touch. Complete that page number 153 also. Okay, children. Once again, see, there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. And today we are going to learn about sense of touch. It's the largest part in the sense organ, skin. Skin is the largest part in the sense organ. It covers whole body and it says different types of actions and different types of feelings. Okay. See, different nerves will act on the different parts. So, take care of your skin and be regular to the doctor if you get any infections or anything. Okay children, bye.